We just did something kind of crazy. We bought a horizontal boring mill sight unseen in Iowa and shipped it cross country. Come with us as we lay eyes on it for the first time in person as it rolls into our shop in Fort Worth. We are anticipating this machine coming in anytime now. We have this space cleared out. We have the carport cleared out, and it started raining. So hopefully the rain will hold off, not be too much. Here it comes, making the cherry lane curve right now.
I would expect to see you, but I have other guys doing everything else, so yeah. I back, I unload it, and then I tie it to it like we were talking about, then I just back in. Like ladder.
Back through here.
Back through here and just dump in.
That's the way you got this.
We were all eagerly anticipating the moment that we would be able to take this tarp off and see our new machine.
The radar said it was going to be out of here for a bit.
I think you next go. It's slipping.
The rain was making everything super slick, and it added an extra element of danger to the whole project. And now, finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The radar was finally showing that the rain was done, so we decided to rig it up and move it to its new home. Okay, we're here unloading. We waited all afternoon until the radar cleared up, and it got sunny for about 10 minutes, and now it's raining again. We decided our best option was to just move it undercover as quickly as possible. these big machines is always a nail biter. Thankfully, we had an excellent forklift operator, and he knew exactly what to do to get this boring mill safely off the trailer.
Straight ahead. Got a pump right here. Oh.
By anybody chance straddling that hump?
You're straddling it.
Got it. What I need.
Pull it roller out.
Now that our new boring mill is set in place, the only thing left to do is figure out how to run it.
Where's your level at?